In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. If Airdrop isn't working, start by ensuring both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Check that both devices meet Airdrop compatibility. Make sure both devices are within close proximity and not obstructed by walls or interference. Restart both devices and try Airdrop again. If the issue persists, check for software updates on both devices and install any available updates. If Airdrop still doesn't work, resetting network settings on both devices or contacting Apple support for further assistance may be necessary. That's how easy it is to fix your Airdrop not working on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.